Hey, it's Sammy on Monday, September 22nd. One of the things I love about trading is the ability to trade both directions. We got 212 points out of about 6 trades today. It was a really nice, tight, really good high probability day. We were taking them low of day reversals. Let's take a look at the charts and see how it all played out. So this was our first trade right here. You could see that red line that we were testing the bottom of as deviation 1 low. All the data came back in. Now, that little tracer right there, that's our low of day. We've got a deviation 2 band. We've got S1, but we've got data now. So let's see if we can push through shorter. Now, we don't have quite enough data to keep pushing through this S1 in this deviation band. So we're going to make a choice here to be conservative and lock in 30 points. We're pre-market still. If you look over to the left, you can see where we got out right under S1. Okay, so the market on that new hour bar at 9 o'clock, it went crazy. It spiked down really fast. Couldn't catch it. I mean, there was no reason to try and catch it. But what's interesting now is we're going the other direction. We're trying to work our way up to VWAP, that pink line. You can also see that the data has weakened from the short, and our short time frames are going long. So we're in this, we're pre-market still, weak data. We're just going to lock in 10 points. This is really what we were waiting for. If you look over to the left, you can see we hit that deviation 1 low. Price spiked up really quick at the open, hit VPOC, kind of as expected. We got to have a value if we want to continue shorting. Watch all of this data cascade back down to the short side as we take out S1, and we're heading down to Friday's low, the 0.50. Now, I did a trail and locked 36 points on that. You can see I re-entered this trade as we're going to punch through 0 Fibonacci. That's Friday's low. We're going to take that price out. We got plenty of data to work our way short. We're under support 1 now. Now pay attention. If you look down, you're going to see that orange line that's falling vertically. That's deviation 3. What I'm really interested in is how price behaves at the flat part of that deviation line. So as it moves down, I'm going to trail a 50-point stop loss. So we lock in 50 points. Now we can see we got a divergent double bottom at the low of day. We are at the low of day, which is also Friday's low. So there's a lot of buyers defending here. We're working our way back up. That checkpoint, that's VPOC up there. That pink line, that's VWAP up there by the 23.6. So we're going to put our take profit at volume point of control. Right now it's at VWAP. We're going to move it all up here. And you can see what's happening is all that data decayed on the high time frames. Short time frame data locked us in long. All right, and this is going to be my last trade of the day. What happened? We punched all the way up, took out VPOC. I could have left that trade run all the way up to that deviation band, that green line. Well, price pulled back very aggressively, retested VWAP and VPOC, and now all of our high time frame data has disappeared and our short time frame is lining up. Everything's lining up to go long. We've got our take profit set up at that 50 Fibonacci level. Now, as price is rolling up here, I'm going to get aggressive and conservative. I'm just going to close the trade with 40 points. Have a great day.